Hello guys, good day to you. Welcome to today's video on the Crypto Fox channel. My name is Chukwemeka Miracle, and we've been talking on different ways of making money in the crypto space. All right, so in today's video, I'm going to show us how to perform the Zeta airdrop, which is a layer one airdrop. Zeta on the Zeta blockchain. Zeta is a layer one blockchain, just like the way Solana is, Bitcoin, Binance, and those kind of layer one solutions for you can swap your assets there. Okay, so I did a rough Twitter search, came across them on Twitter, and I'll drop a link to this Twitter so you can read more about it on Twitter. You understand? So this is the Zeta blockchain. I'll drop the link to this guy's page on Twitter so you can read more about it. On your spare time, just search for Zeta blockchain. Look at this, you can see the spelling over here. You can see the spelling over here. Oh, what's this? Okay. You can see the spelling over here. That's Zeta blockchain. So firstly, if you just come here, you read up on it, it says you sign up for number one, you sign up for the Zeta chain testnet using the link below. All right, I already copied the link. I'll be dropping this link in the description. Then it says you create a Zeta chain account, you verify your Twitter, and connect your MetaMask wallet. Right, so let's open Macy's browser. You understand? Now, Macy's, just like I've said in the past 2-3 videos, is a Web3 browser that allows you to interact with all these Web3 platforms. So it's not like a normal browser like Chrome or Firefox or Phoenix browser or Pamini. Um, Mrs. Brave. There's a third one, Kiwi. This is Kiwi over here. This is Mrs. All right, so open Mrs. Let's open the Mrs. browser. And now, one thing I discovered was that in Mrs. browser, there is in the homepage, there's even an icon for the Zeta chain. Let me open a new page. Let me open a new tab. Let me open a new tab so you understand what I'm saying. There's even sorry about that. There's a tab for Zeta already. You understand? There's a tab for Zeta already. Let me see if it will show. Where is it? Where is it? Where did I see this? It was here. I saw it. It was here. I saw it. Let me see if it will show here. I saw it around this place before I started interacting around this side. Okay, that's not what I want. This is not what I want. Let me see. Will this open? Let me see if it's open. Okay, this is not what I want. 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 So let's just go. Let's just go back and let's just run it. Let's just run it. It used to be here, but I don't want this video to be too long. So probably in your spare time, Sha, you can check. So you just click on that link. I will drop the link in the description for you. If you click on the link, it's open up. Now you need to have a Twitter account for this to go through. You understand? If not necessarily even if it's a verified account, but just have a Twitter account that is not less than 1 month old. You get all right. Look at what it says. It says to get the airdrop, just need to sign up for the Zeta chain testing using the link below. Okay, where's the link? This is not the link. Okay, now this is it here. All right, the link is opening. This is it. Zeta chain. This is you can see over here is Zeta Labs. Over here, Zeta Labs. You understand? So that's the name of the platform, and you can see from here. This is my Twitter account over here, Millie Freezing. All right, that's my Twitter account, and it's saying connect wallet over here. As you can see, connect wallet over here. So if I connect my wallet now, for you to connect your wallet, look at the different accounts. Okay, look at the different accounts. Look at the different accounts. I'll be dropping the link to this description, to link to this video, and the link to this chain, so you can follow my link, and then both of us get 50,000 or 5,000 Zeta points. You understand? So let me show you how to connect your wallets. Um, there are various blockchains available. So if you come here, you see what you will need. You will need just like the way all these airdrops do these days. The issue with the airdrops now is unlike before, where everybody that participated gets a percentage of the airdrop, no matter what it is. But now airdrops have grown into such a way that you need to perform tasks numerously, you need to meet certain criteria, you need to interact with the system more and more often. You understand? So all those videos we did previously, videos on let me show you videos on let me show you from our YouTube studio. You see the videos we have so that you keep interacting with all these platforms for you to stand a chance. Okay, we have a video on Vela, we have another one on Chain for Energy, we have another one on Venom Test Network, we have one on Pulse Chain and Venom. You know, different updates. You understand? So just keep interacting with them to be for you to be eligible to get the airdrops when it launches. All right. So then you come here, click on Connect Wallet. All right. Click on Connect Wallet. After you've created your account, your own uh, once you click on that link, I will be dropping in the description, and you have a Twitter account, it will connect your Twitter automatically. Once it connects your Twitter, that's just the only thing that you need for creating the account. Then you connect your MetaMask wallet, all right? So if you can see, as you can see from here, my MetaMask is showing recent because that was what I used to interact with with the with the platform. You understand? So if you just click on Connect Wallet, it will automatically bring an extension of MetaMask. As you can see from over here, you can see over here, MetaMask extension has shown. Okay, so that's that. Then let it load, let it load, let it load. It wouldn't take much time as the way the normal MetaMask wallet does, but it will just take a little while and it will load. Then you can just let me put in my password. Let me put in my password. I'll come back to this video. All right. As you can see, I've connected it, and then as you can see, look at you can see over here. This is my primary wallet. Here is my primary wallet. Okay, so there's a confirm option. Now, if you come down to this, if you see the wallet address, this is my wallet address over here. This is my wallet address over here. Not in that top account. Let me move this thing up a bit. Now, this is my wallet address over here. As you can see it. This is my wallet address. And now look at this. Notice this. Hmm? Notice this symbol over here. Let me make it this circle. This symbol over here is like Ethereum, but it is not Ethereum. You understand? It's Goerli Earth, and that is the testnet chain for this Zeta blockchain. So if you click on it, you see different options available. There's BSC testnet, there's Polygon Mumbai. So the native chain, the native coin, the native token for this airdrop is Goerli testnet, right? Just click on Goerli and then you get the wallet address for Goerli. You understand? Don't make a mistake. You can pick BSC if you want, you can pick Polygon Mumbai if you want. What you just do is you just have to make sure that you click on it when you want to receive the airdrop. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, mine is on Goerli testnet and there's this confirm bot wallet over here. So I'll just click on confirm. Let it load. Let it load, let it load, let it load, let it load. All right, signature request. Just click on sign. Now, if you're opening yours, you shouldn't look at it. Okay, I have 0 Zeta points. My rank is 0. Convert invites is 0. This is my first day. All right, so what I'll just do is you come here. You see these three buttons over here. You click on it. Click on Get Zeta over here. Click on Get Zeta over here. You can see it here. Click on Get Zeta. If you click on Get Zeta to load, then you see what I meant by you should pick a corresponding chain. All right, so it says, look at what it says. Request testnet Zeta once a day to use for Zeta Labs transactions. You can request more access tomorrow since you've already requested today. Okay, and over here you can see the time available for me to request 22 hours 51 minutes. That's the time I can able to request more Zeta. And if you come over here, if you have a Discord and you are active on Discord, you can check. It says if you click on this link here, it will direct you to the Discord where you can request for more Zeta from their faucets. Okay, so now, the three networks I showed you earlier. Look at it here. This is this is for Goerli, this is for Goerli, this is for BSC testnet, and this is for Polygon Mumbai. You understand? So, but either one of these two is advised. Either you use this one here, or use this one here, but I used this Goerli because it's the primary network of the whole chain. You get so once for now I don't have any this thing recording. Okay, it is. Okay, so once I've requested to this wallet and it has not come in yet, so what I'll just do is I'll just wait for by the expiration of this time and I'll get the wallet. So what you just do after you've gotten it is just you come here and you swap. You click on swap. If you click on swap, it will show you another what's it called? The chain. What you can do, just interact, just how you interact with all these chains and stuff. So if I click on Goerling, there's see the options there. Let me say I click on Goerling, select token. Let me just assist, click on this, actually click on it. As you can see over here, says my balance is 0 GETH, that is 0 get. So once it comes in my balance each day, I get 3 cards. Then I can swap it to whatever. Let's say I can swap it to let's say I'll choose the network I'll choose here. I'll choose BSC testnet. You understand? Then just swap it to the token I want. You get. So that's just basically just interact with the whole chain. You understand? Interact with the whole thing, interact with the whole system, and build up what's it called? The more you interact, the more your chances of getting the airdrop when it gets released. You understand? So what I'll just do for us is I'll drop a link to this. I'll drop a link to this site here in the description of the video, so you can just come and watch and interact. Anything, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay, let's just go through the other article on Twitter. Let's see. Okay, let's see how many of the steps of going through. All right. Let's see. Okay. It says create a Zeta account chain. Number two, create a Zeta chain account, verify your Twitter and connect your MetaMask wallet. Open your MetaMask wallet, connect it to Zeta chain testnet, go to swap tab and click on the request testnet Zeta button. You receive necessary tokens for your airdrop eligibility. Just invite your friends to the Zeta chain testnet. For every friend who signs up and connects their MetaMask wallet to the testnet, you'll be rewarded with 5,000 Zeta tokens. Just make swaps on the Zeta chain testnet. Every swap you perform will earn you 5,000 Zeta tokens. Okay, perform various tasks in the Zeta guide campaign and Zeta chain testnet and earn Zeta tokens along with unique badges and blah 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 blah. All right, so that's just all. You understand? That's just nothing major. This why I like this project is it's very simple and easy, straight to the point. Unlike some other project that will be like, okay, test this one, swap to this one, convert to this one, provide liquidity on this one, trade this one, stake this one. This one is just once you click on the link and have a Twitter account that is nothing less than 1 month old, you are good to go. The Twitter account is like a registration. That's the only registration you need. What you just need to just choose the network, choose your wallet, create a wallet, connect the wallet, request for a faucet. After like within 24 hours, you get your faucet, you swap it, and you perform other transactions. You are good to go. Gaskia, no stress, no hustle, no bustle, just simple and straight to the point. You get so guys, that's just all there is to this Zeta Labs. I'll be dropping the link and the directions to follow in the description of this video, and I'll be dropping the link of for how you can the link to click on to go ahead and perform this airdrop tasks. All right. So till I come your way in our next video, my name is Chukwemeka Miracle, and this is to your success and my success in the crypto industry. Okay. Bye for now, guys.